Rickrolling is a popular prank where you send someone a link that seems to be something else, but when they click it, it instead takes them to the music video for Rick Astley's song, Never Gonna Give You Up. In this video, I will show you how to Rickroll someone on Discord. It's easy and fun, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to start Rickrolling your friends. To get started, launch the YouTube app and search for Rickroll, then tap on these three little dots over here, tap on Share, and then simply copy the link to this video. After that, go over to the Discord app. Now if you paste the link like this, and send it, it will show the video preview and, basically, they will know that you are going to Rickroll them and they will not click on the link. So what you want to do is type in this less than symbol and then paste in that link of the video, and after that, type in this greater than symbol at the end of that link and then send this link exactly like this, and it will not show a preview. It will be just like a normal YouTube link, and if people click on this link they will get Rickrolled. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.